Ino ni njira ya atumia ya Korinda mwena wa Busia iria iragarurukite na gutuika kiwanja gikeno oho makiingira kiharo-ini na kwirimutha hamwe na arata na family ciao makinyitania na atumia thi ng'ima ukungwiri-ini wa atumia. Rirari igongona rikiriririo wega oho makionania taranda ciao na gukenanira na aria maramacereire gikeno kiria gitangirahithikire.
Sherehe leo imekuwa shwari kabisa. Sherehe leo imekuwa mzuri, imekuwa mwafaka. Tumeweza kukua na netball, tumekuwa na model ndo nataka kuingia saa hizi.
It makes the inmates feel like they are still part of the society, because as we are celebrating the International Women's Day, even the society outside is celebrating the International Women's Day, so the inmates are not left behind.
Igongona tariri ni ratafanirio njera-ini ya Kitui kuria nakuo oho marakungũire hamwe na family arata na makiria atongoria atumia mwena uyu kuria marahinyiriirio kuhuthira kiria mathomete njera-ini ino wega riria makauma guku.
Women's Day was set aside by the United Nations as a special day to celebrate, honor, appreciate and recognize the immense contributions that women make in their global community.
When they get out of prisons, they will get some funds or they register through women groups which are outside the prison so that they can be economically empowered.
Na gukiri oguo mwingi naguo ni uthingatitwo kuhiukagia na njira njega oho riria marikia kioho kiao ithenya-ini ria kumatuira cira na kumathutukania.
And when those people get out of prison, they should not be tagged as bad people ama as inmates. They are part of our community, so we encourage them to go and accept them when they come back.
Kameme TV, Jitagwo Waithira wa Gicohi.